ano? Pencil. Solve this. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Anin. It's 3:40. Ihahatid namin ang kapatid ko sa airport, Pantalan ng Dumaguete, papuntang Bohol. Kasi uuwi na siya ng Bohol today. Pretty si Mia, oh. May pretty hair clip siya na may fan. Lilipad na si Mia.
How about you, baby sis? Why did you bring a pencil? Bye-bye!
Bye-bye, Anin!
Bye-bye!
Amping.
Bye-bye na, bye-bye, bye-bye!
See you again.
Bye-bye! Your check! Thank you!
Nag-lunch lang kami after namin ihatid yung kapatid ko. Dito sa Chubby Chubby. Gusto ni Dimitri yung steam pampano nila. Ayan, so we're going home. Mia is walking na, oh. Oh, yes! Ano naman? Careful, kuya! Kay nag-walk ang baby girl. Happy kayo. She's very happy. Ah! She's eyeing the flower. Ah, dirty naman na. Let's get you another one. Sayaw. Sayaw. Okay, dance. Dance. Dance, Abby, dance. Dance. Wala. Dance. Disco dance. Disco dance. Disco, disco, disco dance. Super basa dito. Nag-umulan ng malakas dito kanina siguro. What are those? Are those birds?
Program. So maraming salamat po once again. Thanks to our guests this morning, Dimitri and Floyd.
Happy weekend. See you next week. Thank you.
Happy weekend.
Tama. Mag-isa kami aking partner, Jojo.
That's it. If we can map out where
Yes.
figure out where she's going next.
I think you missed the point by that. Okay, someone else looks
Very good. Another side.
We need to find the exact location of each side, plot them on a map, and they'll show us the pattern.
There, another side. The last one.
Uy, pabutang ko dahil na unsa. Ayaw sa
Hinahanap ni Mia yung mga kapitbahay namin na mga batang babae. Where's ate? Sabi niya, ate.
Sabangin ko mo siya.
You wanna play with ate? Let's invite ate at home.
Maglubog-lubog, Marshall. No.
Gusto ding sumali. Magtatanim din si Marshall.
Ayaw, nagkali aha.
What does the cow say? What's that? Toy? Car? That your car? Car. Wow, don't eat it. What does the cow say, Mia? Moo! Pechay. Dito natin papatubuin ang pechay. Tapos pag Malaki na. Lipat natin yung iba doon sa ibang kahon. Her own pechay. Kami ya. Bro, pechay. Perti hugawan na ni mo dahil kay maligo ra daron. Na, spread! Like that! Yay! Here is patola.
Open.
Ilis na. Today is your first day of school. Yay! Kindergarten na si Kuya! Excited ka? Yeah. Pag-ilis na. So, mag-prepare tayo ng mga gamit ni ni Kuya for school. Ayan na ang kanyang mga gamit. Hindi pa sila mag-activity ngayon. Wala pa silang masyadong gagawin ngayon. Laro-laro muna sila, getting to know each other. Uniform niya. Okay, ilis na. Yan, ang baon niyang lemonade. Tapos meron siya dito apples, banana, and some rice cracker. Excited si Yuri. Kanina, mga alas 9 pa, gusto na niyang pumunta sa school. Alauna ang klase ni Yuri. Panghapon yung pinili namin para hindi ako ma-stress. Kasi lagi ako na-stress dati, lagi siyang late. Ang tagal niyang gumising sa umaga. Panghapon na, sana hindi na siya ma-late. Pang second batch siya. So, ayan. Are you excited to go to school? You are? Kindergarten na! Teacher Lovely is not your teacher anymore. You will have new teacher and new classmates. Be nice to your classmates. Be friendly. Okay? Judy will stay in nursery.
Judy.
Because she's
Judy's sisters.
Judy's sister will be in grade 1. Kailangan natin magpatahi ng bagong polo. Kasi maliit na yung polo niya. And bili din ako ng bagong pang short niya. Kasi ito, ano na? Maliit na sa kanya. Yung mga school supplies ni Yuri, lahat nandito na. Yung box ng crayon niya, sinira na ni Baby Mia. Kaya nilagay ko na lang sa ziplock yung crayon niya. Do you need alcohol?
Mama!
Kuya, I will put your alcohol here.
Mama!
Your glue. Kailangan din yan ng extra short just for in case. And then face towel. And wet wipes. I put everything here. And give me your baon din. Give it to me. Your juice and your lunchbox. Come on.
Why do people
Ano? Sharpen, dali. Ako lang kung sharpen. Sharpen. Ay, wala ang ngayon, oy. Okay, mag-brush pa kag kiss. Wala pa man di ka nag-brush. Hatid lang namin si Yuri sa school, guys. Ready na siya. Dito na siya sa sasakyan. Oh, here's your, pencil. It's until college, okay? It's pencil until college. Are you excited, Kuya? You're so sleepy na. He looks so sleepy na. Parang sleepy na si Kuya. Dapat nag-nap ka kanina, Kuya. Oh. This year pala, guys, ay kindergarten na si Yuri. Sabi ko na yan kanina, paulit-ulit. So, this year, meron na silang science subject. Last year, meron silang reading, writing, Let's go. Sleepy? Ready to meet your new friends, your new classmates, and your new teacher. Okay, go, go, go. So, nahatid na namin si Yuri sa kanyang classroom, guys. Medyo sad siya, medyo naninibago siya kasi yung mga classmates niya sa kindergarten ngayon is mga bago talaga. Kasi yung mga classmates niya dati sa nursery, nag-morning, ano nga sila, morning class sila. Kaya, siguro, pero sinabihan ko na naman siya na bago yung magiging classmate niya, mga bago din yung teacher niya. So parang naghanap siya ng familiar faces ba? Kasi yung mga kaibigan niya, yung dalawa hindi din bumalik dito. Yung isa pumunta yata ng Sikihor. Nasa Sikihor nag-aaral. Yung isa naman bumalik dito pero nursery pa kasi maliit pa yun. Mga 4 years old pa siguro yung last year kasi 3 years old siya. Yung best friend talaga niya. Si Judy. He's looking for Judy, I think. And yung dalawa, si Lincoln at si Lobby, they are in morning class. So, mga bago yung mga classmates niya. Pero, first day of school pa naman, for sure, makaka-adjust siya. In 1 week lang makaka-adjust na yun si Yuri. Kagaya dati, first day of nursery niya, ganyan din siya, nahihiya siya, medyo na bago, naiilang. So, we'll see later. Okay naman yung teacher niya. Medyo masakit yung ulo ko, guys, at saka likod ko. So, punta kami Dumaguete, magpapamassage kami yung dito. And babalikan na lang namin si Yuri mamaya. Mga 350 plus, pwede na bumalik. Mga 350 or 340? 350 pwede na. It's 3:14. Nasa Dumaguete pa rin kami. Kakatapos lang namin magpamassage. It was a good massage. How's your massage?
Good. I was half sleeping.
So, pick up namin si Yuri. Pick up na lang namin si Yuri kasi malapit na siya. 3:50. Out na sila. Prepare na para umuwi. And mag-drive-thru lang kami ng Jollibee. Pasalubong. It's just super hot here in Dumaguete. Drive-thru. Sunday chocolate o color Coke.
Okay.
Thank you. Na si Kuya, meron siyang kindergarten superstar. Meron din siyang sticker na superb.
Cook
Wow,
me
you are
drink.
superb.
Mama, cook.
No, dili cook. So Kuya, you have friends in school na?
Yeah. And all of the kids have Roblox.
All of the kids there have Roblox.
Yeah.
Roblox is not good.
Nahimo ka po ang anak.
Yeah, mahimo ka po ang anak.
Ang friends.
Don't say that. Pero makabuang ng Roblox. Ayaw pagtulag Roblox. Magdula lang ka mga other games. Look at our pretty doll. Hi, pretty doll. She just woke up from nap.
Not
And she opened the gate for us. What a pretty doll.
I'm a Barbie baby.
I'm a Barbie doll in a Barbie world. Pretty kaayo ang princess.
Kaya pa.
Mia, you're so
I'm a
pretty
Barbie
with your
doll
hairstyle.
In a Barbie world.
So pretty, ano nga princess na. Let's go. Going to school. Nursery. Mama's nursery. solve this. Solve it. Come on. Uh-oh. Okay. That's good. Wow. Maybe this one. Yay! High five, high five. What is this? Papaya! Yummy sweet papaya. Go, go, Mia. Go, go, go. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. It's okay. You can build again.
Uh-oh.
Not this. Uh-oh. Again?
Oh.
Uh-oh. Again?
Oh.
Look, look. It goes here. It goes here. The plus sign here. Here. Color yellow. Look. Yay! Green. Rectangle. Second day of school ko po na yun dito. Magluluto ako ng garlic shrimp. Buttered shrimp pala. Buttered shrimp for lunch. Kakarating lang namin ni Dimitri from the farmer's market. Mia, meron siyang sweet corn. Bumili ako ng sweet corn for the kids. And then, baon din to ni Kuya Yuri mamaya sa school. Okay, let's cook. Tingnan natin tong onion. Oh gosh, honest mistake guys. Nakalimutan ko magluluto pala ako ng garlic buttered shrimp pero nilagyan ko ng mantika yung ginamit ko. So, kinuha ko yung mantika. Lagyan natin ng butter. Hay nako! Hay nako! That is a mom brain guys. Mama's brain. That is a mama's brain. Nakalimutan ko. Garlic buttered shrimp pala ang lulutuin. Bakit mantika yung nilagay? So, kinuha ko yung mantika. Replace natin ng butter. Ay, nako! Nangyari na ba yan sa inyo? In the middle of cooking something, nakalimutan ko na butter pala dapat ang ilagay. Lagay na natin ang shrimp kasi nasunog na ang shallot at saka garlic. Sinong makaka-relate dyan sa mom's brain? Mom brain or mama's brain. So, yung ibang shrimp, galing to sa freezer namin. Meron kami natira na shrimp sa freezer. Kaya medyo hindi na siya masyadong fresh tingnan. Pero yung half ng shrimp, half kilo, nabili ko kanina sa sa market. Fresh talaga siya. Lagyan natin ng oyster sauce. Cooking with one hand kasi nag-vlog. Nasira kasi yung tripod namin. Soy sauce. Kulang yun sa isang stick. Yan, butter. Nag-add na lang ako ng butter. I don't know. You were playing with the bata there. Where is she now? Para masarap. Maraming butter. Alright. Alright, going to school na si Kuya. Si Papa lang ang maghahatid sa kanya. Say bye, Kuya!
Mama,
Have fun in school!
bye.
Bye-bye, Kuya. See you later!
No.
Bye-bye. Blow a kiss. Can you blow a kiss to Kuya? Mwah! Blow a kiss.
Mwah.
Yeah. Are you gonna miss Kuya lang? He's gonna be back soon. Now, Mia, it's time for you to take a nap. Magandang hapon. Mag-harvest tayo ng papaya. Ang galing. Ang papaya natin may 2 hinog na. Ang dwarf papaya. Dwarf ang papaya, no?
Makaon na siya.
Makaon na. Kanang usa ko kuha na dagay na or ugmara na. Pas na lang yung isa. Wow, nice. We eat a papaya lang snack. Pwede na i-harvest ang saging.